Hi everyone, my name is Patricia Rivera. I have been studying biotechnology at Once College for 3 years, and in this video I will try to explain you how this web page can be useful for biotechnology students and professionals too. How I said in the other blog, biotechnology is a beautiful science. We can use the technology and transform life in order to find solutions to various problems. For example, we can work with an organism in order to produce drugs. We can also create new vaccines by extracting the toxins from a bacterium that causes a disease and transform only the toxic part. But if we want to do that, the first step is identify the organism. And the Government of Canada webpage contains a list of pathogen safety data sheets. This webpage is quite useful. Each technical sheet provides us with all the necessary information for its correct manipulation. These documents have been created by the Public Health Agency of Canada as educational and information resource for people working with infectious substances. For example, if we want to find one PSDAs about E. coli, we only need to use the scroll bar on the left-hand side of the screen here and scroll down. Now, in the middle of the screen, we click on letter E and we select the bacterium that we want. Now we can appreciate all the information about E. coli. Not only name, but also characteristics and the health hazard, incubation period, the dose that can be damaged for us, very small, the disseminations, viability, medical section, the laboratory hazards, the recommended precautions, like what we have to wear when we are working with a lab, the handling information, and the miscellaneous information. Each time that we are going to work with a bacterium, we have to have access to all this information. Conclusion: following and completing the good laboratory practice and PSDS established allows us to work in a safe way for all. Thank you.